wool. That brings the Wiggledance. Good Wiggledance. And so, do you know the story of the ovens? As if the ovens boldly charged their black prince to yield their wailing and failing, or I'd make you wince. What you say? I think still. I suppose that if Ilida will never forgive me, how do I fix that with Pigsty and Mike? What have I done? What have I done to those tutus? First, I shouldn't have sworn that Wiggledance. Then, I shouldn't have blood-trunked it. Wit I don't want to kick Demolishes head busts out of this. I think he's a bitch more hollow now. 'Tis the heart of a pigsty he holds in his hand.
Hello? Get me down from here! Ah! Okay, that's a sprain.